Take a deep breath in. Notice the lightness in the body. And when you exhale, notice your body way down towards the floor. Start finding this sense of relaxation. The body's resting and way down. Try and silence down the mind a little bit as you just focus really mostly on the breath. Focus on the air coming in. Focus on the air coming out. And focus on the sensations caused in the body through the breath. And then just start circling your feet. So just the feet and the ankles, just do a few circular movements. And then start circling your arms up and over your head. Find a nice stretch. You can pull your right hand onto your left wrist and really stretch it out as you stretch one hip and the other hip. Change sides, you can hold on to your right arm with your left. Stretch it out a bit. Stretch the full spine. And then slowly circle your hands towards your hips as you start bringing your right knee into your chest and you hug your right knee. Yes. So your left foot is flexed. Your left leg is engaged. Start bringing your right knee into your chest. Bring it in. Roll your shoulders back. Breathe in and out. Notice that lower back touch the ground. Really compress, bringing that knee into the chest. Breathe in and out. One more breath in and out. And let's start kicking the leg all the way up high. Keep the foot flexed. You can keep your hands onto your hips or maybe even hold the back of your leg. Roll your shoulders back and bring that right leg towards your chest. Hey, if you look at me, you'll notice that my right knee is slightly bent, and that's fine because I already feel it enough in my hamstring. Really press that left heel down. Notice the lower back touching the floor. And then let's release the hands. You can place the hands down onto the floor. Now we're going to start doing the circular movements. Bend the right knee, bringing the heel kind of like parallel to the knee as you suck the right knee into the chest. Now we begin to extend the right leg towards the left without touching the floor. We open, lift the right leg up high. Bend the right knee towards the chest. Send the heel towards the floor as we begin to extend the right leg all the way without touching the floor. Lift it up high. Yes. Bend the knee. Start sending the heel down as you stretch, lengthen the leg without touching. Inhale, up high. Exhale, bend the knee and slide. Inhale up high, bend the knee, and now this time we're going to open the hip to the right. And we're going to place the right foot inside our left thigh. So we're finding here a tree pose. Yes. Now press both down. Press the right knee down. Keep your left toes up high. I like to bring my hands onto my hips as I press it down, kind of like feel the pressure of my lower back. But hey, you can keep your hands out to the sides if you like, or even over your head, palms together. Breathe. Breathe. And breathe. Now, hey, we're going to do that full circular movement now. Right knee starts coming in towards your right armpit. Keep the right foot flexed. We start circling the knee up high. We start bringing the right foot down towards the floor as we lengthen the right leg all the way towards the left. Lift the right leg up high. Breathe in. Open the right foot out to the side. Bend the knee, bringing the right foot towards your inner thigh. Bring the right knee towards your armpits. Circle the right knee towards the sky. Right foot almost touches the floor as we extend the right leg forward. Yes, keep that right foot active. It's not touching the floor. Up high, breathe in. Exhale, circle the right foot to the right. Bend the right knee, bringing the right heel towards the inner thigh. Squeeze the right knee towards the right armpit. Breathe in. Circle the right knee. Slide the right leg towards the left. Yes. Inhale, up high. Exhale, open it out to the side. Bend the knee and bring the foot towards the inner thigh without touching. Circle the right knee towards the armpit, then towards the sky, then slide the right foot down. Lift the right foot up, breathe in. Yes. Exhale, out to the side. Bend the knee, bring the foot towards the inner thigh. Press the knee towards the armpit. Circle it in towards the chest, then towards the sky. Breathe in, last one. Exhale, slide it down. Open up to the side. Bend the knee towards the inner thigh. Right knee towards the armpit. Circle it through. Beautiful. And then let's just slide it next to the left. Slide, slide, slide. And press your right foot down. Yes, circle your hands. Bring your hands next to the body or onto your hips. Bend your left knee. And start bringing your left knee into your chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Hug it in, really compress. Breathe in and out. Lift the left leg up high. And notice here, hey, this is really tense for me in my hip. It's not even the hamstring. Notice what's going on. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more breath in. Exhale, bend the knee, bringing the heel towards the floor as you slide the foot all the way down. Inhale all the way up high. Bend the knee, bringing the heel down towards the floor as you slide the foot all the way down. One more, up high. Bend the knee and slide the foot all the way down. We come up high. We begin to open the left foot out to the side and find tree pose here. Bring that left foot towards the inside of your right thigh. Yes, press both knees down, both hips down. Hands can stay onto your hip, or you can even circle the hands up and over the head. Keep your right foot flexed. Stay here, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more. And out. Beautiful. So from here, squeeze that left knee towards your armpit. Circle it in towards your chest. Kick the left foot up high. Sorry. Bring it down towards the floor as we slide it down. Yes. Then we lift it up high. We bend the knee. We open up to the side, kind of like into a tree pose. Squeeze that left knee towards your armpit. Yes. Circle it up high. Slide your left leg all the way next to the right. Lengthen up high. Start opening out to the side. Bend the knee and bring the heel towards your inner thigh. Squeeze the left knee towards the armpit. Circle it in towards the chest. Slide it all the way down. Lift up high. Open out to the side. Bend the knee and bring the heel towards your inner thigh. Hug that left knee towards your armpit. Circle it in, compress, and slide. Inhale, lift it up high. Exhale, open out to the side. Bend the knee, bring the heel towards your inner thigh. Find tree pose. Squeeze the left knee in. Circle it all the way through and slide all the way next to the right foot. Beautiful. Now from here, right foot extends all the way towards the sky. Keep your left foot flexed. Beautiful. Right knee bends into your chest. Bend your left knee and bring your right heel towards your left knee. Press the knee out. Now from here, circle the hands next to the body, and you can slide the hands through your left thigh, hugging that left leg in. Press the right knee out, feel the opening in the right hip, and your left foot, try not to drop it. Try and keep that left foot active, and left heel on the same line as your left knee. As you really draw your left thigh towards your chest and press your right knee out. Breathe. Breathe. One more breath in. And slowly release the hands. Place the left foot down. And let's find a little twist here. Let's twist to the left. Twist to the left. Place your right foot down. You can even draw the right foot closer to you and the left knee closer to you. Left hand is going to push your right knee out. And just breathe through it. Find a yummy twist. Feel the right hip. We slowly come back. And let's release. Same thing here. Slide both legs down. Lift the left leg up high. Breathe in. Bend the knee and bring the knee towards your body. Now slide the right knee and bring your left ankle towards your right knee. Send that left knee out. Yes, keep the left foot flexed as you begin to hug the right knee into the chest. Activate that right foot. So the right foot and the right knee are on the same line, and you're really pressing your right foot back. Hug your right thigh with both hands. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more breath in. And let's slowly drop the left foot to the right, and you can squeeze it in a bit. I always make a little adjustment. I bring it closer. Send your right shoulder, your left shoulder down. As your right hand presses against your left knee and you really feel into that left hip, breathe. One more breath in. Slowly release. Come back to center. Release the left foot. And from here, just bring both feet together and let both knees fall down towards the side in Supta Baddha Konasana. So reclined, laying down onto your back, butterfly pose. Let's just stay here for a few breaths as gravity really presses the knees down towards the floor. We really feel an opening in the hips. Breathe in for 1. Exhale. Breathe in for 2. Exhale. Breathe in for 3. Exhale. Breathe in for 4. And exhale. And let's start circling the knees back into our chest. Hug the knees and let's start rocking up and down, up and down, up and down until we find a seated position, and right away extend the left leg, hug the right knee into our chest. Left foot is flexed. Extend the arms up and over the head. Lean forward towards your left foot. Yes. Option number 1 is to stay here. Let's say we're 2. Let's stay here. And we'll go on to second round. We'll go on to the bind. Lengthen, find space. Breathe in, suck the belly in. Try not to let that right knee drop or go. So hug it into your shoulder. Yes. Yes, squeeze it in. But at the same time, you feel the butt is touching the floor too. Inhale as we come up. Exhale as we release the hands. Now let's cross the right leg over the left and bring your right foot inwards. Let's just take a little twist here to release that spine. Hug the right knee with the left hand. Lengthen the right hand up high. Breathe in. And exhale, find that twist. Look over your right shoulder. Breathe in, find length. Exhale, twist. Breathe in, find length. Exhale, twist. One more. And twist. Circle the right hand up high, breathe in. And exhale, face forward. And hey, let's unroll. Extend the right leg. Left knee bends. Hands go up high, breathe in. Exhale, fold forward. Suck the belly in. Inhale, squeeze that left knee towards the shoulder. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Last one. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, circle the arms up high. Exhale as we release the hands, left foot steps outside the right. Right foot comes in. Send your left butt cheek down. Hug your left knee with your right hand. Inhale, lengthen the left hand up high. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. One more. Exhale, twist. Circle the left hand up and over, breathe in. Exhale as we come forward. Here we go again. Now this time we're just going to make it a bit more active. So lengthen the right leg, extend in the left knee. Activate, breathe in. We're going to find that bind. Exhale, lean forward. Now left hand is going to point out. Circle it behind your left leg. Right hand is going to point out and circle it behind your back. Grab your hands, interlace. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold forward as you squeeze the knee into the chest. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold forward. Release the hands, breathe in. And exhale as we come up. Let's just switch sides. Inhale as we lengthen. Exhale as we lean forward. Right hand points out, circle the right hand. Left hand points out, circle the left. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Press the right butt cheek down. Exhale, fold forward. Squeeze the knee into the chest. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. One more. Exhale, fold forward. And slowly release as we breathe in and out. Circle the legs and let's find all fours. Press the hands, engage the scapulas, breathe in, cat-cow. Exhale, send the butt back, drop the belly, roll the shoulders back. Inhale, round. And exhale. Inhale, round. And exhale. One more. Inhale, round. And exhale. Come back to neutral. Let's play with stability because that's what we need. Extend left leg and right arm. Find stability. Don't let the belly drop. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale, right hand comes down. Let's start opening the left leg to the side. Open, open, open. Open, open, open. And start bringing your left leg all the way forward outside your left hand. Yes. So if you notice here, we're already into that variation of Ardha Hanumanasana. Feel the back of the left hamstring. And let's just play with exploring how it makes us feel, right? Send the butt back as you really activate the toes and send your chest down. Inhale as you lengthen the spine. Exhale, send the butt back. Further back, try and keep your hips squared, so hips align, neutral. Lengthen the spine. Look up. Really activate those left toes. Exhale, send the butt back. Now from here, let's find lizard. Bend your front knee. Sink your hip. And just stay here. Yes. And that back foot, you can keep it active or you can just release. Just really let gravity send you down. Left hand, place it down onto the floor. Press that left knee towards your shoulder. And let's begin to circle the right hand up high. Yes. Hold. 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 And hold. Circle the right hand back and down. Attention, girls. That back foot is going to circle inwards. Just a little bit of mobility. Circle that back foot inwards as we begin to extend the left leg and sit again. Okay. Yeah. Let's just work that hamstring again and that side body. Left hand goes inside. Right hand goes up and over. And we've done this about maybe like 2 classes ago. Really feel that right hip stretch, feel the hamstring. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more breath in. And exhale. We come out of it. We start coming up. Breathe in. Attention, we're going to face the back of the mat. Exhale, look, circle to the right. We're coming into Ekapadaraja Kapotasana. Adjust your right knee. Left hip points forward and down. Here we are, yes, facing the back of the mat. We've got a lot of opening by now, and let's slowly sink. Slowly sink. Let's stay here for a few breaths. Wiggle through it. Breathe in for 1. Exhale. Breathe in for 2. Exhale. Breathe in for 3. Exhale. Breathe in for 4. And exhale. Slowly we come up, girls. Press the hands down. Lift the upper body. And again, a bit more mobility. Send your right butt cheek down as we begin to slide the right leg open. Yes. Circle your upper body towards the right leg. Slide it to center. Upavista Konasana. Breathe. Yes. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, explore. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, explore. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, explore. Keep your toes active. Engage the thighs, engage the glutes. 1 more. Exhale, explore. And let's start coming up in the same way we came into that last pose we were in, Ekapadaraja Kapotasana. We're going to do the same thing onto the left. So we start bending the left knee. Bring it in. Right hip faces forward and down. And let's play with the breath here. Breathe in and exhale. Come all the way down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Last one. And exhale, fold forward. Press the hands down. Lift the upper body. Beautiful. Now attention here, girls. Flex that back knee. We're going to come into all fours again. Push the hands. Slide your left leg all the way back. As you bring your left knee behind the right, open the feet out, and we start sending the butt back. Send the butt back and sit. Adjust the feet. Lengthen the spine. Beautiful. Now our hips should be feeling nice and yummy by now. All that stiffness should be going away. Now let's play with the shoulders a bit more because we do need a bind. Circle the hands up and over. Right hand up and down. Left hand down and under. Try and interlace the hands. Roll your shoulders back. Send your chest forward. Breathe in. And if you want to stay here, stay here. If you want to challenge yourself, start sending your upper body towards your thighs. Try not to really compress your shoulders towards your ears. Your neck is loose. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen. exhale, fold forward. Inhale as we come up. Exhale as we release the hands. Woo! Beautiful. Slide the hands forward. Lengthen the left leg back and slide the left leg next to the right. Same thing other side. Extend the left hand and the right leg all the way back. Hold here. Find stability. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more breath in. Exhale, left hand comes down. Circle your right foot all the way to the side. Find stability. Feel it open. Breathe. Breathe. As we circle the right foot all the way forward, placing the right heel down outside your right hand. And adjust the hips here. You should notice your hips are neutral. Your right toes are pointing out. You should really feel the hamstring here. Send the butt back. Slide it back. Inhale as you look up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale as you look up. Exhale, fold forward. Yes. Inhale as you look up. Exhale, fold forward. Bend the front knee. And sink the hip. You can release the back leg if you like. Or slowly slide it through. Inhale here. And exhale here. Inhale. And exhale. Right hand inside your right foot. Let's circle that left hand up and over. Inhale here. And exhale. Really press the knee against the shoulder against the knee, engage the thighs, engage the glutes. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And exhale, circle the left hand down. As we begin to extend the front leg, left foot comes in, and we sit. Yes. Right hand comes in. Left hand comes up and over your head. Inhale here. Exhale, open up. Inhale. Exhale, open up. One more breath in. And exhale. And let's circle the arms up and over all the way to the front of the back of the mat. Eka Padaraja Kapotasana. Adjust your left leg. Send your right hip down. Yes, we're facing the back of the mat here. We'll probably have a lot more space than the last round. And slowly come down. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And out. We slowly start coming up. Send the left butt cheek down as we begin to open the left leg. Send the right hip down. Circle from the left leg towards the center. Upavista Konasana. Inhale, finding that split. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale as we lengthen. Exhale as we fold forward. One more, girls. Breathe in. Exhale as we fold forward. Lengthen the spine. Breathe in. Bend your right knee and let's start circling to Eka Padaraja Kapotasana to the right. Lengthen the left leg back. Adjust. Left and right hips, same line. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lower down. 4 breaths. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale here. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last breath, girls. One more breath in. And out. Slide the hands next to the shoulders. Press the hands down as you come up. And from here, flex the back foot. Bring the knees towards the body as we begin to slide the right leg back. And let's hook the right knee behind the left knee. Open the feet out to the sides as we send the butt all the way back. Adjust. We want the butt cheeks, both of them, to touch the floor. Open the feet out wider. Inhale, circle the arms up and over. Let's work those shoulders. We need to take a bind in the final position. Circle the right hand down and under. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. One more breath in. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale as we come up. Exhale as we release. We circle. We slide the hands forward. Breathe in. Lengthen the right leg. Exhale, step the right foot next to the left. Flex the toes. Inhale, round the spine. Take the knees off of the floor and send the butt all the way back as you push the floor away, coming into downward facing dog. Heels are the last one to come down. And your hamstring should be feeling nice and yummy. Bend the right knee, lengthen the left. Bend the left knee, lengthen the right. And bend, and bend, and bend, and bend. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bend your knees, and let's start walking our way all the way to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift as we look up. Exhale as we fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale as we fold forward. One more. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale as we fold forward. Inhale, slowly engage the thighs, circle your arms up and over, lengthen the spine. Send the hips forward, adjust the shoulders, hands into your heart center. Right away, let's go into our flow. Circle the hands up and over, breathe in. Exhale as we fold forward. Inhale as we halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees, step the right leg all the way back. Engage that back leg. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale here. Exhale, left hand comes down, right hand circles up and over. You can bring it onto the knee and find that extended side angle. Press the right heel down. You can slide the left hand down, just like we did onto the floor with the knee down. Slide the left hand down, pressing the left shoulder against the thigh. Inhale. And exhale. Now from here, we're going to circle into Skandasana to the right. Circle. Lengthen the left. Lift the left toes. Come into Skandasana to the right. Beautiful. Okay, let's take our bind here. Right hand opens up to the right. Circle. Left hand behind you. Open up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath in. Exhale as we release, and let's transition. Engage the thighs. Transition all the way to the front. Lengthen back into warrior two. Inhale. Exhale, let's take our vinyasa. Hands come down. And slide your left leg back. Three-legged plank. Take your chaturanga of choice. Up dog, breathe in. Down dog, breathe out. Look forward, breathe in. Exhale, step, jump, or walk all the way to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, circle the arms up and over right away. Exhale, fold forward. Yes. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees, step the left leg all the way back. High lunge, breathe in. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale here. Exhale, Utthita Parsvakonasana. Open up. You can stay here or slide that right hand inside your right thigh. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in, girls. And out. Here we go. We lengthen. Breathe in. Whoops. And we find Skandasana to the left. Left hand points out and binds through the left knee. Hug the right hand. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, engage that right thigh and keep your right toes pointed up high. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Breathe in. And out. And let's slowly release. Engage. Lengthen. Breathe in. Exhale, warrior two. Breathe in. Exhale, chaturanga. All the way down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bend the knees and start walking or step or jump or hop forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, circle the arms up and over. Exhale, hands into your heart center. Right away, Utkatasana, chair pose. Inhale. Exhale here. Send your weight over to your right leg as you bring your left knee into the chest. Inhale. Exhale, kick. Step. Inhale as we come up. High lunge. Exhale as we come into warrior two. Now this time lengthen the front leg. Trikonasana, lean forward. Exhale, right hand comes down. Left hand comes up high. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Now we're going to go for our bind, girls. Bend the knee. Find Utthita Parsvakonasana. Right hand comes under. Left hand comes behind. Inhale, open. Really press onto that left wrist, opening up that left shoulder. We're going to look down toward the right foot. And we're going to start sliding the left foot forward. You still have that bind. Yes. Send your weight over to your left foot as you begin to balance the right knee into your chest. Keep that bind. Find balance. Find your drishti. And you can stay here. This is good enough as you lengthen the upper body. Find your balance, or you can start lengthening the right leg. Beautiful, girls. We slowly come down. Let's step the right foot down. Keep the bind. Send your weight over to your right foot. Lift your left foot. Step it back. Found your bind. Release. Let's transition all the way up to center to Skandasana to the left. And find your bind here. Open up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale as we release, we lengthen and engage through the quads. Come all the way up into Warrior Two. Inhale. Exhale, transition. Take your variation of Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Look forward, breathe in. Exhale, step, walk, jump, hop. Inhale, halfway, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, circle up and over. Exhale, hands into your heart center. Utkatasana. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale here. Transition over to the left. Bring the right knee into the chest. Inhale. Kick the right leg all the way back. Exhale. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, Warrior Two. Lengthen your front leg, breathe in, lean forward, find Trikonasana. Exhale. Inhale here. Exhale here. Bend the front knee, girls. You're already in the position. Right hand circles behind you. Let's take that bind. Left hand goes under. And as you look forward, look down. Let's walk towards our left foot. Slide the right foot in and walk. Send your weight over to your right leg as you begin to extend your upper body. Yes, from here you can stay here or you can start lengthening the left leg. Yeah, breathe. 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 Let's bring it back in. Beautiful, girls. See, you got it. Step. Transition. Bring the weight onto your left leg. Lift your right foot. Step it back. Release. Transition. Skandasana to the right. Take that bind. Yes, girls. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. And out as we release the bind, we lengthen. We find Warrior Two, and we transition all the way to Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Look forward, step, jump, or hop. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Now this time, chair pose. Right away. Sit into a chair. Inhale. Beautiful. We're going to sink all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. The knees are going to open out to the sides. We're going to hug our ankles. Yes. And send your head down towards the floor. Breathe. Breathe. One more breath in, my girls. And exhale as we release. we begin to sit with our back nice and rounded. We unroll all the way down towards the floor. And we hug the knees into the chest. We roll from side to side. Let's roll both knees to the right. Find a yummy twist to release any tension. Let's roll both feet. Knees to the left. Breathe. And then we come back to center. And very, very slowly, place the feet down and slide the feet all the way to the front. Let your feet draw down towards the floor, hands next to the body. Adjust the shoulders if you need. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. And just let the body take in all the benefits of today's practice. As you just sit and rest in your final Shavasana.